Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about the scholarship opportunities at University College Cork in Ireland. These are international scholarships offered to students from outside the European Union. And now we'll see the scholarships, how much scholarships we have. There are totally, like you can see here, 22 categories of scholarships, and these are the scholarship like China Scholarship Council. If you will click here, this is for postgraduate. Okay, University Clerk, tuition fee and research fee, living allowance they provide. You must be applying for PhD to eligible for the scholarship. The primary focus of this program is for selected Chinese students to take full PhD. If the selected Chinese students successfully complete the requirements of designated PhD at UCC defend their dissertation, they will be conferred a degree by UCC. This is the eligibility criteria. Candidate will be citizen and permanent resident of People's Republic of China at time of application. Overseas Chinese students may be eligible for the award subject to CSE policy at the time. Then this is the application selection process, term and conditions. So this scholarship is available only for Chinese students. Similarly, there are different scholarships. You can take a look here. For example, if we see SEFS International Student Merit Based Scholarship, then you can take a look here. Declares to be awarded the scholarship must have accepted offer in your application portal. The scholarship is only available to applicants in the College of Science, Engineering and Food Sciences. Like they are saying, if you are like selected for the admission and you are from these programs, then you are eligible to that scholarship. And this scholarship for international students on third master's program, all the international students, there is no like the requirements of nationality or something. Similarly, there are different scholarships. You can take a look here. College of Business and Law Excellence based scholarship, and all the scholarships are available here. You can also set it to 20, and here you can see further George Mitchell Scholarship Program. This scholarship program is available to undergraduate and graduate, and it will cover your tuition fee, accommodation, living expenses and travel. So this is a very good program. And so you need to be Mitchell. A candidate for Mitchell scholarship program must meet following criteria. You should be US citizen. Okay, this program is available only for US citizen. And other criteria you can also take a look here. If you will have any question related to that applications, you can ask me in the comment section. Here you can find the suitable scholarship for you which you think is suitable, and then you can apply for the scholarship. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.